All right, over here, we've got one of our designer urns. So you can see, get this over here for you. You can see in the designer urn, it's got great shape. It holds a lot of water. And by the way, we should talk about that. All of my foam has been soaked in Floralife food, and then I've added Floralife vase food as well to all of the containers. I then sprayed everything down with finishing touch after I was done designing them. So again, you'll want to check out care and handling, and you'll want to look at the Oasis University too, because we've got some great care and handling videos up on that site as well. All right, so moving back onto this one, I've got the Midnight Floral Foam in here, and then I wanted to keep it dark for Halloween, so I stuck with all these burgundy tones, and I even went in with the seated uke with burgundy as well, came in the dominant area with some of the gorgeous mums in here in the same color. But to upgrade this a bit, what can we do? I could add a spider web. We've been doing these since, oh my gosh, probably the 1970s. This is done with a glue gun, and I've got it glued to a wood pick, and look, just pop that in there for an accent. And I wanted to show you, I've got over here a little bit how that happened. So this is a silicone pad that you can purchase, and you'll find these at stores. And you just use your glue gun, make the spider web, and it'll just peel right off, and you can go ahead and make as many of them as you want. So you're going to want to look into finding those pads, making your spider webs, and just having a great time placing them all over. I could just add that, sneak that one in right like that. But again, if you are going to be sending this out, I'd glue it right onto one of the wood picks. And that gives me the design, a little upgrade using a wonderful technique.